VegaPay Company presents VegaPay Tokenization Service turns stylish accessories into your payment instruments. At first, add VegaPay accessory in mobile app. You can choose the following options to add an accessory. It could be a payment ring or a fashion accessory from the VegaPay brand line. Bring the accessory to the phone. Then, link your bank card. Load token data to the accessory. Hold the accessory against the back of your phone until the data is loaded. You'll receive a confirmation code from the bank to finalize tokenization process. Enter the code into the application, and in a few seconds, you'll get your VegaPay accessory activated and ready for payments. Well done! Tokenization process was successful. It's easier, faster, and safer to pay with VegaPay. VegaPay application turns our accessories into your payment instruments. Install from the App Store, Google Play, and Huawei App Gallery.